Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my difference is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that after making a high of 46030, right now gold is trading around 4600. Yesterday, in a previous video, we discussed about the possibility of a breakout and buying a breakout above 460203, and I hope you guys made some good money as well. But now we can see that after hitting 4630, okay, market came down, and right now market is trying or struggling to cross 4600. So this particular portion of the market, okay, is confusing many traders because many of you are thinking that this is a trend reversal. In that case, let me clarify that this is not a trend reversal, my dear friends. This is just a retracement, or you can also say technical correction, because no market can go up straight line like this, or no market goes down in a straight line like this. Okay, market always move in a zigzag pattern, isn't it? Because of demand and supply. So this is a part of the game. The market sentiment has not changed yet. Gold is still very much bullish, so you should be looking for buy positions only. But right now, the downside that we see on the screen, okay, is just a technical correction. But we need to be cautious today because today is a big day. After NFP, the next big event is CPI, and today is CPI day. Means the trend of the market is as of now bullish, but if gold drops after CPI, then yes, there is a possibility of a trend reversal, because as we all know, for any trend or direction, we need a fundamental reason. It can be NFP, CPI, or anything, but yes, something fundamental, not technical. So CPI can be a factor that can change the direction of the market. It means that CPI has the potential to change the direction of the market. So be careful. So gold is bullish right now till the US session. After US session, if the trend changes, that's a different story. Okay, so plan your trades accordingly. And before any major event like CPI, NFP, as we all know, we do not get much trading opportunities. So today is also the same. Okay, do not expect big trading opportunities or very reliable trades as of now, because you can clearly see the levels that I have on the chart right now, I'll explain, okay, are far away. If we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold is just from record high. Gold is just lower on likely technical correction. So this move is, we can consider it is a technical correction. Okay, not something permanent. Yes, after CPI it can be a permanent move, but as of now this is technical. So where are the trading opportunities then? So when market came down for correction, my dear friends, it made a low of 4576. It can be 4575 on your chart as well, maybe, because it's a decent as market, but around 4575 45 7576. Okay, 457576. Okay, market took support. Okay, so this is a level. Okay, this is a level. Okay, we need to keep our eyes on during the day. If market remains like this, for example in the European session also, if you see that there is not much volume in the market is sleepy, dull, okay, you can expect the market to take support around 76 77 area again, because due to low volume market will not be able to break, नीचे जा नहीं पाएगा due to low volume. In that case, okay, we can look for a support around 75 76, but this is not a good support. Okay, keep in mind, this is not a good support, but due to low volume we can expect it to work. If market breaks it, because gold is full of surprises, okay, then the next support will be around 45445. The first black line that you see here is a support in front of us. Then the second support is around this one, 451820. Okay, these are the two support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. Okay, if market drops suddenly before CPI. Okay, after CPI, no, big no. After CPI, I don't think so. They have the capacity to hold the market. Okay, they will not be able to hold the market. But before CPI, if market drops suddenly, then these are the two levels where you can look for a buy position. Why are we considering it? Okay, we have simply used Fibonacci. you can see FIBO is working perfectly. So around 4545 we have the FIBO 38.2, around 451820 we have FIBO 50% retracement level. Okay, after news, okay, if market drops or if gold drops after news, then 4500 is a key level. Okay, if market survives above 4500, you can expect gold to continue the bullishness. But if gold breaks 450, अगर market इसे तोड़ देता है, then obviously gold will be under pressure. So for CPI, okay, your eyes should be on 4500 if gold drops. I think, okay, we will get a good buying opportunity also around 4500 if market comes down and takes support. Okay, but the other support levels that we discussed, like 4544, 4518, okay, they are not going to work. After CPI, 4500 should work. So if market takes support after CPI, we can look for a buy. Okay, and these are the only things, okay, that we need to discuss right now. If market starts falling, okay, we can buy here, we can buy here, we can buy here. Okay, all before news. And 4500, yeah, after news as well. If market goes up after news, yes, we can look for a buy above 4630 as well. Before news or before CPI, chances of market going above 4630 is less, but still nobody knows. Okay, but if you see that during the European session market is going for a breakout, then yes, we can look for a buy above 4630 as well. But as I always say, my dear friends, consolidations play a very important role, isn't it? So here also consolidation is going to play a major role. If you see the market is consolidating here for a while and then market going for a breakout, it's a good sign. You can go for a buy. Okay, so that's all, my dear friends. Okay, nothing more to discuss here because market is slow right now due to high volume, and already gold has given enough move yesterday. And my dear friends, if you're from India and looking for a reliable trading platform, safe platform, then yes, you can consider opening your account with Vantage, because in India, okay, mostly two platforms were running the market or ruling the market. It was OctaFX and XNES. Okay, they were the dominant parties here. But right now, OctaFX and XNES both are not present right now, and obviously if you're still using Okta or XNES, you should be avoiding due to legal issues, and you can consider opening your account with vantagemarkets.com. Vantage is a global brand. It's a much more safer and regulated than XNES as well. Okay, and because it also provides compensation from financial commission, it provides insurance up to $50 million. So by different, अगर आपके पास बड़ा पैसा है, okay, then also you can consider Vantage because it is Vantage. Okay, you can open your account through our referral. आप हमारे referral का use कर सकते हैं. Okay, you'll also get access to our WhatsApp community as well. So feel free to open your account with Vantage if you are looking for a safe platform. Do check out.